My name is Paul Kieffaber, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology. I majored in psychology from the beginning as an undergraduate at Colorado State University, and wasn't really sure what I wanted to do after getting my undergraduate degree. I went to a master's program at Cal State Fullerton, where I got a degree in experimental psychology, and became interested there in human physiology and acquired brain injuries. And that led into my doctoral work using electroencephalography to study cognitive deficits in severe psychopathology like schizophrenia at Indiana University, Bloomington. My research at the College of William & Mary centers on questions about brain behavior relationships. In the context of my interests in psychopathology like schizophrenia and cognitive aging, that means answering questions about the relationships between brain activity measured using electroencephalography and behavioral and cognitive deficits, including attention, memory, and executive functioning. Joined the faculty at William & Mary in the fall of 2008. Started teaching my first physiological psychology course. Our most recent projects in the lab involve the recording of what are called event-related potentials. These are electrical potentials generated by the brain when presented with very specific kinds of auditory and visual stimuli. Some of the questions that we are asking now relate to how those very simple measures of sensory and perceptual functions in the brain can be used to identify cognitive decline very early in the course of cognitive aging. This has implications for how we understand age-related changes in brain function, but also how we might develop early tests for disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative conditions. I think what I like most is the motivation of the students at William & Mary, who do an outstanding job both in classes and in the labs, and are just highly motivated and bright students.